Graphical representation of data is really important when we are presenting data to higher management of any company or for your own work. So for that, what we will do is we will convert this tabular format or data which is expressed in tabular format into charts. So let's learn how to create charts in Microsoft Excel. So first step is to actually know what all data we want to represent in the chart. So let's say we want to have two columns, which is the transaction and the expenses which were done in the month of September. So we will basically select these two columns, so column cells, and then we will go to charts, and then we will click on column. So herein we will get the chart of column type. So click on the first one, and we can see the chart has been instantly created. And if we will increase its size, then we can see that on the x-axis we have our transactions, and on the y-axis we have the expenses which were made. So if we will interpret this data, we can see that the largest expense was done on club membership, while we have travel, sports, and pair of jeans which were bought, they have equal expense. So when we are looking at this kind of data, then it's very easy to infer or interpret the data. So that's why we really use charts, and this is the process of creating charts in Microsoft Excel. So let's see if we have multiple columns. So let's say we have expenses which were made in 2 months, September and August, and if we want to compare them, then all we need to do is we need to select the cells, and then we have to click on column and then clustered column, and we can see that we have now two differentiating colors. Blue represents the expenses which were made in September, while the red is expenses which were made in August. So we can see that there is slight difference between the 2 months. So it's really easy to differentiate between the expenses which were made in the consecutive months. Now let's suppose we have 3 months to compare with. So all we need to do is just copy the data, and we will create chart of this particular month. So now if you will just select the cells and click on column and then clustered column, we can see that now we have 3 different colors, each representing different expense month, and we can see that after each month the expenses are increasing. So this is June, then this is August, and this is September. So this makes visualizing the data really easy and interpreting the data very easy, and that's why we really use charts in professional world. I hope this will help you in creating charts for your document. Thank you for watching the tutorial.